Yeah, hello, Martin here. I'm over in Sevenoaks in Kent. I'm really excited to finally show you around a poolside room we've been working on with this client now for around 18 months or so, and now fully completed and a perfect day in September to show you around. So this stunning project was introduced to us, or this client was introduced to us by Life Outdoors, Craig Ormiston and the team there. So thank you for the intro. They were involved in some of the little small parts of this project, but handed the building over to us. We got planning permission for it, and it is a poolside room with this beautiful brand new swimming pool that's been installed there. All the paving, it's worked really well, all part of the design. Now we've got the tri-slide indoors. You'll see why they're such the perfect idea here. All worked out perfectly with the brick wall finishing in line with the door. All, really done this to perfection. We've then also included the window that finishes at the height of the brickwork, so you have some integration with the swimming pool. In the winter, it's going to be used as a cinema room, and this huge TV with the Sonos Arc and Sonos speakers set all around it is absolutely perfect for that, and that's going to be a really enjoyable kind of winter use of this room with the large sofa and that huge baker's bar. Now, baker's bar could be used in the summer and winter. Got the fridge there, but also that barman's sink. We love fitting these in the black. That's got hot and cold water drainage out and through, integrated with the bar with this lovely, I think this is the French grey top that we got, glass top, but it's got that copper sparkle in it. You should just be seeing that now. And it's lovely. Quite a different design, L-shaping it into the room, but works lovely and perfect with all the drainage that we needed for the sink. You can see all the lovely wash lighting, the obligatory neon sign there, along with the lovely wash lighting on the wall as well. Now, why is the tri-sliding door so good? Because they can slide both ways, and that means that when you are not necessarily using the swimming pool, you can then slide all of the doors over and have that bar being quite a central force in the building, coming out and being able to use it with all this area here, and that's lovely. So a poolside room, what do you need? Shower, toilet, changing rooms. We've got 2 changing rooms here, and as we broke out the shower and toilet, the shower room really large. We've got a sitting space there on purpose, large towel rail, and a lovely shower. Actually, the client upgraded from our standard white wet wall to this like kind of parquet tile effect. I really like that. So it is still just a wet wall product, but I think it's really, really nice. Adds a nice bit of quality to it. Considerably more cost, but it wasn't about the client. It was about getting it right. And I think this is lovely. And as you can see, way big enough to be able to change in. Next door to that is the standalone toilet. Again, we've designed that with enough space to be able to change in, have the toilet and the basin. And of course, it's what we call Jack and Jill. So in the winter, you would go to it from here. But if you're getting out the pool soaking wet, you come down the steps and you go straight into the side door here. So you don't make all of the room wet and soaking, and you can use the loo there. Mirror on the wall, the client requested. Lots of hooks and bits going on there, as well as the towel rails that are all app run. Lighting, heating, internet, the whole thing covered by us. And it is a beautiful space. Yes, thank you to Craig and the team at Life Outdoors for the intro and being involved in the management of this. It's been really fun to work with them, and I think this is beautiful. Max in the 30 square metres at 6.6 metres wide, 4.25 deep. It's a lovely space and integrates perfectly with the swimming pool. So I hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching.